We spoke to a couple of business owners this past weekend, and they said the summer wasn't as busy as they had expected. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here Labor Day weekend, and we're going to check it out and see how busy it is. Let's take a drive. Well, here we are at the Coastal Grand Mall in Myrtle Beach. Looks like they're pretty busy.
Now let's check out the Market Common and see how busy it is. Oh, so here we are in downtown Myrtle Beach, just by the Skywheel. Also, remember in our last video, we showed you the new rails. They also have put in some new trash cans. Awesome. Looks like it's happening at Broadway at the beach. I'm glad this isn't smell-o-vision because I smell cookies. And of course, you can't come to Broadway without going to the Hangout. Hangout is so cool, especially at night. Looks like the beaches are crowded. Okay, well, there was a look at Myrtle Beach during Labor Day weekend. Can't wait to see y'all in the fall.